CAM, the lead oxide specialists.
Good morning and happy new year. Welcome back to Camland. If you are a manager in the lead battery industry and your company should to invest on the lead oxide equipment or curing chamber, stop. Today I want to show you a toolkit for manager like you. This is the CAM box, the toolkit for a manager who have to know better all the information, the secrets and details about high performance lead oxide equipment and curing chamber. At moment is free for you, but do you want to know what material is inside? Okay. Now I'll show you what you will receive. First of all, install a new lead oxide equipment. There are a lot of things for you, then for you and for your colleagues like operations, engineering and purchasing manager. This is a special toolkit. Then even for quality R&D and so on, quality handbook, we will explain a lot of things. Then the fast melt, our latest equipment, innovating equipment for lead battery industry to melt lead for COS, Barton, milling process and so on. And the end, no, this one I don't want to show you because it's a secret and it's a special gift for you. And in the end, wait a moment please, a project 2D 3D project for a lead oxide area with our ball mill and conveyors and so on. So this is the CAM box. At moment is free for you, but is not forever. So I suggest you to read the CAM box because it's very helpful for you, and you have to just click on the link below, fill out the form, and in a couple of days you will receive this CAM box directly in your office. That's it. I am Francesco Marfisi, live from CAM, the lead oxide specialist. Bye.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.